Local news for the 27th of July. A text exercise around an earthquake will take place tomorrow in Featherston. Anyone keen to take part can be to the Anzac Hall at 2 p.m. The proposed peace management plan up for consultation closes today. Anyone still wishing to express their views can do so via the Greater Wellington website. And the South Wairarapa District Council are calling on local designers to help design their new logo. Anyone keen to give it a go are asked to contact Barbara at the South Wairarapa District Council. And judging took place yesterday in the Great New Zealand Pie Awards. Mike Clogue from Cleveland Bakery, who's previously been a Supreme winner, has entered again. We certainly wish all of our Wairarapa entrants the best of luck. The winners will be announced at the awards gala dinner in Auckland on Tuesday night. And in sport, large crowds are expected for tomorrow's Club Rugby Finals Day, kicking off at 11 a.m. with the Premier Plate games taking place through to the main two games with the senior reserves at 1 and the Premier Final between Carterton and Gladstone at 3 p.m.